वेलकम टू ग्यास क्लासेस फॉर मैथमेटिक्स। आज हम लोग क्लास 12 वेक्टर अलजेब्रा के बेसिक से हाई लेवल के क्वेश्चन जानेंगे। तो देखते हैं बेसिक अलजेब्रा क्लास 12 पार्ट 1। वेक्टर अलजेब्रा पार्ट 1 क्लास 12 के अंदर सबसे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारा है फाइंड द वैल्यूज ऑफ एक्स वाई एंड जेड सो दैट द वेक्टर्स ए वेक्टर and b vectors are equal. So you know two vectors are equal when coefficient of unit vector I, unit vector j and unit vector k or both vectors are equal, then the two vectors are equal. तो क्वेश्चन हमारा find the values of x, y and z so that the vector a vector and b vector are equal. So for this question, see answer first. So a vector is given what? That is x into unit vector I to unit vector j and z unit vector k, and b vector is given what? That is 2i unit vector and y j unit vector and k unit vector, right? Now we have to find both the vectors a and b are equal. Then we have to find the value of what? X, y and z. You know two vectors अगर equal होंगे तो क्या होगा? Coefficient of I vector यानी unit vector I of the both vectors should be equal. Similarly, coefficient of unit vector j of the both vectors are equal. And similarly, coefficient of unit vector k will be equal. So here x equal to what? 2, and here j equal to what? Y equal to what? 2, and here k that is unit vector coefficient of unit vector k is what? 1. So 1 equal to 0. So you can write directly x equal to 2 and y equal to what? That is 2, and z equal to what? That is k. So most important concept is what? When the two vectors are equal, then coefficient of unit vector I of the first vector equal to unit vector I of the second vector. In the same way, coefficient of unit vector of j in the first vector is equal to coefficient of unit vector j of the second vector. In the same way, coefficient of the k vector of the k unit vector, coefficient of unit vector k of the first vector equal to the unit vector of the coefficient of unit vector k of the second vector. So here x equal to 2, y equal to 2 and z equal to 2 is the right answer. So this is the first question. Now see answer second. So now see what is the question 2. Question 2 is what? Let a vector is given I plus 2j, unit vector I plus 2j, and b vector is given u2 into 2 unit vector I plus j. Is magnitude of vector a equal to b. This is the first part. Two vector is given, a vector and b vector is given. The first part is what? Is magnitude of a vector is equal to magnitude of b vector. So first we see what is the magnitude of any vector. So suppose any vector a equal to x unit vector I plus y unit vector j plus z unit vector k. Then magnitude of this vector is what? That is coefficient of unit vector I square plus coefficient of unit vector j, that is y square, plus coefficient of unit vector k, that is z square, and root under. This is the magnitude of any vector xi, yj and zk. Now you know here a vector is given. So magnitude of a vector equal to what? Magnitude of unit vector I plus 2 unit vector j. So this is what? Coefficient of I is 1. Here coefficient of j is 2. So this is 1 square plus 2 square, root under. So what we get? 1 square 1, 2 square 4. That is root under 4. Similarly, unit vector b. So this is unit vector b equal to what? B vector is given here 2 unit vector I plus j unit vector j. So coefficient of I vector unit vector I is what? 2. So this is 2a square. Similarly, coefficient of unit vector j is 1. So this is 1a square. Now this is 2a square plus 1 root 5. So what we get? Magnitude of vector A is just equal to magnitude of vector. Both are equal. So our answer is yes, magnitude of A vector equal to what? Magnitude of B vector. Now the second part is what? Are the vectors A and vector B are equal? So no. Why? Not equal. Why? Because two vectors will be equal if the coefficient of unit vector I of the first vector and coefficient of unit vector I of the second vector will be equal. But here coefficient of unit vector I is 1. Here coefficient of unit I is 2. So vector A does not equal to vector B. So this is the second question. Vector A given, vector B given. My question is magnitude of A vector equal to magnitude of B vector? So we know magnitude of A vector is what? Coefficient of unit vector I square, coefficient of unit vector j square plus coefficient of unit vector k square. So here magnitude of A is what? Root 5. Magnitude of B vector is root 5. So both are equal. So yes, magnitude of A vector equal to magnitude of B vector. But next part is vector A and vector B are equal. No, vector A and B are not equal because coefficient of unit vector I of the first vector and unit vector I of the second vector are not equal. In the same way, unit vector of the coefficient of unit vector j is 2 in first vector and coefficient of j of the second vector is 1. So not equal. So vector A and B are not equal. Now see the third question. Now the third question is what? Find unit vector in the direction of vector A, 2 unit vector I, 3j unit vector and k unit vector. So here we have to find unit vector in the direction of any given vector. So how can we solve this question? See. So इस क्वेश्चन में हमें क्या बोला? Find the unit vector. So no, unit vector formula is what? Unit vector A equal to what? Magnitude of vector A multiply vector A. Here, okay. So unit vector of the any vector is given by 1 by magnitude of vector into vector, given vector. So here unit vector is what? 1 upon magnitude of A vector. You know magnitude of A vector is what? Coefficient of unit vector I square. So 2a square is 4. In the same way, coefficient of unit vector j square. So here 3. So 3a square 9. And here coefficient of k unit vector k is here 1. So 1 square is 1. Now multiply vector A. So vector A is given 2i plus 3j plus k. So when we solve this, 9 plus 4, 13 plus 1, 14. So this is what? 2i unit vector, 3j unit vector, k unit vector divided by root under 14. We can write this 2 upon root under 14 I plus 3 upon root under 14 j plus k upon root under 14, and this is k upon root under 14. This is my answer. So अभी हमने क्वेश्चन 1, क्वेश्चन 2, क्वेश्चन 3 सीखा जो बिल्कुल बेसिक है. इसके पार्ट 2 में इसके आगे डिफरेंट कंसेप्ट को लेकर आएंगे. थैंक यू.